Hi guys, welcome back. In the Vice we have the PB, what number was this? PB07. Here's the key. As of yet, I have been unable to open this one, so I've had 2 or 3 tries off of camera. This is my first attempt on camera, so we'll just see how it goes, see what happens. That felt like number 1 gave a little bit. That was number 5 gave a little bit. All feels quite solid. Oh, there we go, got it. Blimey. Right, now with this one, what I think this one is, you have got to be so gentle with it, otherwise you just overset straight away from the start. Here's the bidding on the key. Now, so it looks like they're all pretty high cuts, yeah, so if you're not careful with this one, straight away you overset and you don't get anywhere. Just to compare, I tried to open this one a minute ago and after 8 minutes I give up. So this time it opened really quickly. I was really gentle with it, so because it's only taken about 1.5 minutes, I think we'll do a gutting. So I'm going to cut now and then I'll be back once I've set up ready for gutting, because I have to change the angle on the dangle and, as it were, get the camera ready. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, welcome back. Right, we've got the lock. I've loosened off the clip a bit so I can pull it off like so. Okay, I locked it up just to take the circlip off. Do that. So the pin's going to be that side, these are going to be that side, so I need to hold it this way, just take this. There we go, slip that off, put that down there. Okay, right. Here are the key pins. Pin 1. Oh, I know, we've got, okay, that's one of the anti-drill pins. There's the other anti-drill pin. Pin 1. Okay, now look at that. Look at that evilness. Pin 1 is got a huge serration in it, like so. Pin 2 is like an atomic bomb. I guess you could call them torpedoes. Pin 3 is I guess that's triple spool, or is it? It's like a serration, but they're quite deep. So serrations aren't quite that deep, are they? 4 is sort of like that. I'm gonna have to learn the names of these pins, to be honest. And 5 is also evil, like that, is evilness. Right, let's put these back in here a sec. anti-drill pins, and I shall sit that just there. Oh yes, let's show you the core actually as well. You see that? Core is threaded. Every chamber is threaded. Right, let's have a look at this in the Bible. Let's see what we got. We start at the front, pin 1. Oh, there goes the camera. Always fucking up. Oh, and again. That's the trouble with this fucking camera. It's got a suction thing on the bottom, so it goes. Good job I got the key on it, otherwise I have no idea which way where these went now. Right, let's sort them out a sec like that. Right, okay. Okay, right. Now, where are we? Okay, so pin 1 is, I don't know. Don't know what they're called. What are they called? Don't know. Don't know what it's called. No fucking idea. Pin 2 looks the same, but it's got 2 little serrations on it. 3. Three looks standard. 4 is a double spool. I guess you call them double spool. And 5 is exactly the same, double spool. So there we go, guys. That is the Pickbeard 07. Horrible pins. Well, not horrible, you know, they're nice pins. I mean, it's horrible picking them. So well done, PB. Your 6, 7 and 8 were a joy to play with, and I shall now be sending these on to Neville halfway across the world. So have fun, Neville, when you play with these. Let's see how you do with them, mate. Alright, cheers guys, bye.